Alright, so we have these questions. Let's start with A. Remember, the first thing to do as long as the coefficient is either 1 or minus 1 is to take note of the sign. Now, what's the sign of n? Plus. What's the sign of n? Plus. So we have plus times plus will give us plus. Now, n times n will give us n squared. Do you understand? The same way 2 times 2 will give us 2 squared. N times n will give us n squared. Let's do B. Number 1, take note of the sign. First, take note of the sign. Sign of m is minus. Sign of the second m is plus. Multiply the sign. Minus times plus is minus. M times m is m squared. Do you understand? Let's do C. The sign of m is minus. The sign of the second m is minus. So we multiply the signs first. Minus times minus is plus. M times m is m squared. So this is m squared or plus m squared as the case may be. D. The sign of k here is plus. The sign of the second k is minus. Plus times minus is minus. K times k is k squared. Do you understand? Alright, so let's take E. Now the sign of u here is minus. The sign of u here is minus. The sign of u here is minus. So we multiply the signs first. Minus times minus is plus. So we have plus. Plus times minus is minus. Do you understand? U times u is u squared. U squared times u is u cubed. Does that make sense?